In today's highly competitive climate, your customers often can get what they need from a whole host of alternative suppliers. They don't have to do business with you. This competitive atmosphere puts downward pressure on prices and upward pressure on the quality of services. Competition raises customers' expectations and the standard of what they think constitutes superb service. Wholesaler distributors have to get better and better every day. That sounds tough, but if the business is going to survive and grow, you have to take business away from the competition while protecting your own turf. Let's start by laying a foundation of a few basic principles of customer service and distribution. Most customers in a business relationship want doing business with a wholesaler distributor to be easy, enjoyable, and profitable. This means orders completely filled, on-time delivery, no mistakes, no hassle returns, and accurate invoices. This core contract is the package of products and services that customers have a right to expect anytime the wholesaler distributor accepts their order, and every customer deserves it. Keep in mind that when it comes to defining superb service, the customer's perception is king. If the customer doesn't value an aspect of your company's service, no matter how hard you work or how high the cost, it is not valuable to the customer. Similarly, the customer's logic may be different from yours. For example, if your deliveries and invoices are accurate, your company may be perceived as less than excellent if the shipments are poorly packaged, your drivers are unkempt, or the trucks are unclean. Superb service means doing the usual things, the core contract, unusually well, and doing extra things the customer does not expect.